This is the presentation of this group. I introduce myself. My name is John Melvin Pangilinan together with Benedict Regarde and Ashwell Pesca. We tackle basic occupational health and safety in Dali Store to ensure the employee and customer is safe. First, demographics. The Dali Store's entire convention center can accommodate a maximum of 145 people at a time. On a typical day, the store sees an average of 300 customers entering and leaving. These numbers if fluctuate depending on the day of the week and special events happening on convention center. During busy periods like weekend or large conference, the number of in and outgoers can double. However, the store's layout and staff and designs handle peak periods efficiently. This is the population of age and gender in Dali. Age group 18 to 25, 26 to 35, 36 to 45, 46 to 55, and 56 plus. The total of male is 79, the total of female is 71, and the total of male and female is 150, entering the Dali store. Second, housekeeping. Implementing the 5 B's philosophy in retail store like Dali stores can offer several benefits. Increased efficiency. A well-organized and clean environment can help employees find items quickly and reducing waste time and effort. Sa increased efficiency is naka-organize na para mahanap and malinis yung environment para makatulong sa employee na mahanap kagad yung item ng mabilisan lang para ma-waste yung time nila and di sila mag ng sobrang effort para mahanap lang yung item na yon. Improve customers experience. A clean organized stores creates a positive impressions on customers making it more enjoyable for them. Para ma-improve yung customers experience, kailangan lagi malinis yung environment, naka-organize lahat ng mga lahat ng mga bibilhin or yung mga products. Tapos nag kailangan lagi magbigay yung employees ng positive positive impro, positive impression sa customers para maging enjoy sila doon sa pagbili doon sa shop. Second, housekeeping. Improve customers' experience, a clean, organized stores, create a positive impressions on customers, making it more enjoyable for them to shop. Reduce errors and waste. By eliminating unnecessary items and standardizing processes, businesses can reduce the risk of errors and waste. Sa pamamagitan ng pag-reduce ng errors and waste, is ma-eliminate yung unnecessary items and standardizing processes para yung business is ma-reduce yung risk and errors and waste. Enhance safety. The clean and organized workshop can help prevent accidents and injuries. Sa pamamagitan ng paglinis and mag-organize ng workspace, may makaka-help ito para ma-prevent yung accidents and injuries. Increase productivity. A positive, efficient work environment can boost employees' morale and productivity. Increase productivity is para sa pamamagitan ng positive and efficient work sa environment, magagamit ito para mapataas yung moral ng isang employee and productivity. To tailor the 5S philosophy to Dali stores, consider these specific samples. Sayri, remove the outdated or damaged merchandise from sales floor, donate or dispose of excess stocks, and eliminate unnecessary paperwork and clutter from back of house areas. Satan, organize shelves by products category or brand, clearly label storage containers, and create designated areas for employees' break time of staff meeting. Say so. A daily cleaning schedules for the stores, assign specific tasks, employees, and provide cleaning supplies is designated areas. Seiketsu. Create checklists for daily cleaning, and organization tasks, use visual aids like color-coded labels to identify products locations, and hold regular meeting to review and update the 5S procedures. Shitsuke. Encourage employees to participate in the 5S activities, conduct regular audits to ensure compliance, and offer incentives or recognitions for employees who demonstrate strong 5S practices. By implementing by implementing the 5S philosophies in the stores can create a more efficient, organized, and customer-friendly environment, ultimately contributing to its overall success. Next, material handling. Lifting techniques. Get close. Stand as close to the load as possible, keeping it centered in front of you. Use your legs, bend at the knees, not the waist, and lift with your legs while keeping your back straight. This helps to maintain a neutral spine position. Grip securely. Use your both hand to secure a firm grip on the load. Avoid twisting. Turn your whole body by moving your feet, instead twisting your back while carrying the load. Smooth movement. Lift a smooth, steady motions. Avoid jerking or sudden movement. Carrying the load. Keep close. Hold the load to your body immediately at waist height to reduce strain on the back. Keep close is kailangan yung pagbubuhat mo is pantay lang ng bewang mo. Para yung pantay lang ng bewang mo para ma-reduce yung strain on the back. Watch your fat. Maintain a clear line and sight while carrying the load. Avoid obstacles. Take breaks. It leads is heavy. If you feel fatigue, set it down safely and take a break. Setting down the load. Lower safely. When setting the load down, reverse the lifting process, bend at knees, and keep the load close to your body until it secures on the ground. Wait for stability. Ensure the load is stable before releasing your grip. Material handling. Those guidelines can help ensure that lifting activities at the Dali stores are conducted safely, reducing the risk of injuries among employees.
Material storage. The Dali store warehouse comes with a quiet, organized energy, rows upon rows of towering shelves, painted a clean, bright white, stretched into the distance, each meticulously stocked with food products. The air, while not perfume, is surprisingly fresh thanks to the ventilation system that keeps the scents of oils and solvents at the bay. Large industrial strength skylights, but the space in natural light, supplemented by strategically placed LED panels that eliminate harsh shadow and ensure even illumination throughout safety is clearly a priority. Bright green exit signs, clearly visible, pointing towards not just two, but four generously sized fire exits, each equipped with emergency lighting. The floor is polished concrete, easy to clean and maintain, and strategically placed fire extinguisher and stand ready. Overall, the warehouse is a model of efficiency and safety, a testament of the Dali store commitment to both its product and its employees. Fire safety. In a fire safety, the fire extinguisher and sprinkler system are essential fire suppression tools used to control and extinguish fires. Fire extinguisher. A portable device used to put out small fires by discharging an extinguishing agent such as water, foam, dry powder, and carbon dioxide or wet chemicals. Type of fire extinguisher. 1. Water-based fire extinguisher, Class A. 2. Foam fire extinguisher. 3. Carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. 4. Dry powder fire extinguisher. 5. Wet chemical fire extinguisher. How to use a fire extinguisher. We use fast technique. 1. P. Pull the pin to unlock the extinguisher. 2. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. 3. Squeeze, squeeze the handle to release the extinguishing agent. 4. Sweep the nozzle from the side to side to cover the fire area. Sprinkler system. A sprinkler system is an automatic fire suppression system designed to detect and control or extinguish fire by releasing water or other extinguishing agents. It is commonly installed in the buildings such, such as home, office, factories, warehouse, and high-rise structures to provide early fire suppression and reduce property damage and loss of life. Components of a sprinkler system. 1. Water supply provides water to the system sourced from municipal water lines, storage tanks, or dedicated fire pipes. 2. Piping network distributes water to different areas of the building, typically made of steel, copper, or CPVC pipes. 3. Sprinkler heads heat-sensitive device that release water when a fire is detected. Common types include pendant, side walls, and concealed heads. 4. Control valves regulate the flow of water in the system and can be manually or automatically controlled. 3. 5. Alarm system activates to alert occupants when the system detects that suppression fire.
Electrical safety refers to the set of practice and precautions taken to prevent electrical hazards such as electric shock, burns, fires, and equipment damage. It involves using proper protective equipment, following safety guidelines, and ensuring that electrical system and device are installed, maintained, and used correctly. Occupational health focuses on ensuring workers' physical, mental, and social well-being by preventing workplace hazard, promoting safety, and complying with regulation. It involves identifying and controlling risks, conducting health checkups, providing safety training and productive equipment, improving ergonomics, and supporting mental health effective occupational health programs and enhance worker safety, productivity, and overall well-being. Observation and solution. Number 1. Observation. Electrical safety hazard. Issue. Exposed wiring, overloaded circuit, and improper grounding observed in the store electric system, posting power and shock risk. Solution. Conduct a comprehensive electric audit, ensure proper installation of wires, install circuit breaker, and provide employee training on electrical safety. Number 2, observation for lighting condition. Issue. Same areas of the store, such as storage rooms and aisles, have a enclave of flickering lighting and leading to potential accidents and straining employees' eyesight. Insulation and solution. Upgrade to energy efficient LED lighting, regularly inspect lighting fixtures, and integrated DALI-controlled lighting system for better monitoring and maintenance. Number 3. Observation cluttered emergency exit. Issue. Emergency exits are blocked by stock and carts, making it difficult to evacuate during emergencies. Solution. Implement regular housekeeping practice, mark clear and exit routes, and conduct fire drills to ensure compliance with safety regulations. Number 4. Observation, slip, and fall hazard. Spills and wet floor in the fresh produce and freeze section are not promptly addressed increase the risk employee and customer injuries. Solution: place non-slip mats in high-risk areas, train staff on immediate spills response, and display warning sign for wet floor.